Hello all and welcome back. I'm Alicia. This week's video is an easy fix on a GE dishwasher that would not latch close. The model number is presented here. It is George David Frank 520 Paul George David 4 WW. The tools you'll need is a Phillips head screwdriver. And again, this is an easy repair to replace the door latch. Prior to starting, turn off all power, electricity to your dishwasher. Inspect that you have enough holes and electrical wiring to pull forward your dishwasher without creating additional problems such as leaks and/or disconnects of the electrical wiring. Inspect the dishwasher for all the spots it's held securely in place. Once identified, begin by unscrewing and releasing the dishwasher. There are 2 screws in the toe kick skirt and 2 screws at the top securing the dishwasher to the counter. Inspect that you have enough holes and electrical wiring to pull forward your dishwasher without creating additional problems. We're only moving the dishwasher forward enough to have access to the latch located on the top and center of the dishwasher. Once the dishwasher is disconnected, gently and slowly move the dishwasher forward until the latch is visible and accessible. Again, it is no need to move the dishwasher further. The latch is held in place with 2 screws and is connected to wiring at the rear of the latch. The wiring has a male to female interlocking connection. Unscrew and disconnect to remove the faulty latch. Compare the old latch with the new latch and place the new latch in the same way as the old latch came out. Connect the wiring and screw in the new latch. Once the new latch is in place, ensure that it catches or receives the dishwasher door before sliding the dishwasher back in place and securing it in place. If needed, adjust the feet of the dishwasher to make sure the unit is level before securing it back under the counter and attaching the toe kick skirt. In the description below, I have a link for the replacement part and step-by-step instructions. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it or found the video useful. If so, please hit the like button, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you next time.